What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of AZ Motorsports. Today we are going to be, it's a quick video. I'm going to change the LED light bulbs. Alright, so I'm changing my LED light bulbs from, I have LED light bulbs in there now, but one of them burned out. Now the reason I want to go back to halogen, which what originally comes with the car, is because LED looks better, it's brighter. What I might wind up doing is just getting the whole HID kit instead of the LED. But I like the LEDs because they're quick and easy. So we're gonna do that on the Hyundai Sonata. And yeah, it's a quick fix. Plug and play. Video here. I will leave the link in the description below. Marsauto LED lighting. So first thing you do is pop the hood and you locate where your headlights are. So as you can hear and see that this light is basically low. It says headlight low, but it's out. That light is out. And this light is still on. So we're just going to swap them out. That is the hole there. You stick your hand in, turn it counterclockwise until you hear it snap, and you should be able to pull it out. Unplug the plug first. Then she should be ready to come out. And this is the old one. The old LED. I'm gonna get the new one. Alright, and this is the new one. Now, as you can see, there's a big size difference. This has a fan in it. I don't think this one has a fan, or if it does, it's much smaller. But there's pros and cons to this LED light. The pros is it's very bright and it looks nice when it works. The cons is if you get the one with the fan, this fan is loud as hell. I think the fan is a gimmick. Not too sure. I don't really see the point in it. I know the LED gets it very hot, but I don't know. This fan, it doesn't seem right. So we're gonna see how this. Let's see how these wind up. This winds up, and we're gonna test it and see how bright it is. But let me, put it in, and then we'll get started with the next side. First, make sure that your plugs fit, that the plug is going to fit, and do a dry test before you actually fit it in. Do a test run on the light before you actually assemble the whole light bulb. You guys get it. And as you can see, the light is much brighter. And it works, and no fan compared to that one. So definitely get a fanless. I would say, you hear how the fan is going now on that one. So what you want to do is you want to match, before you even try to install it, match up the plug, and then match up these 3 tabs here. You want to do that because you want to make sure it's easy installation, or it's the same fit. If you don't have that, it's not gonna work out for you. So if that happens, you're gonna want to take it back. And this positioning is hard on the Hyundai because you can't really see what you're doing. And there you go. Now we have light. Now, on to the next one. Hopefully the next one is easier. Just a quick side note. If you are trying to do this, don't plug it in yet. get it fitted first in the hole and then plug it in. And there goes the other fan. I can't wait to take that thing off. The one on the passenger side is in front of the engine coolant. There's a slot in front of the engine coolant. Let me just show you. Engine coolant reservoir. Okay, so here's the slot for the next bulb. So take it out. Bang. Bada bing, bada boom. Now this bulb is hot as hell. Now these do generate a lot of heat. So I can see why the fan was there, but it's just so loud that it's not worth it. I might be biting my words on that, but yeah. Like I said before, unplug it first before you take out the plug, if you can. I didn't, but you know, better safe than sorry. Alright, and there goes the last. Let me get the other one and let's finish this up. Okay. Alright, so passenger side went in. Much easier than the driver's side. But all in all, still an easy job, quick job. Shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes to really do. You don't need any special tools, anything like that. Just a quick plug and play type thing. Now I'm gonna do maybe a weekly update. To show if these lights, you know, if the fans were actually doing anything, and maybe if I see any problems with the overheating. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. But let me just do a final show of the new lights. Let me go if you can see it. One. So that was it. Quick video. I know I haven't been posting a lot because I kind of want to see what direction I want to go in. I think I want to go more into the automotive, since that's what I see from the stats. That's what you guys like to see. That and the dispensary videos I want to get into, but more into. By the way, I want to do a 420 special. If anybody has any ideas on what I should do for a 420 special, let me hear it. You never know. But yeah, I want to get started on the Z build. We got another video explaining that, because that's coming up this year, and a lot of big things this year. A lot of big things. Yeah, so that's it. It was a quick video. Wanted to be nice, short, quick video. I'll leave the link in the description below where I got the lights from, which is Amazon, but I'll give you the exact link. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, there's more to come. Thank you guys for watching. This is Dr. Hayes out.